Covalent bonds occur when atoms share electrons. When atoms combine through the sharing of electrons, molecules are formed. One of the most common substances on Earth, water, or H2O, is an example of a molecule formed by covalent bonds. Covalent bonds between two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom result in filled outer energy levels for the three atoms in each H2O molecule. The formation of a hydrogen molecule by the joining of two hydrogen atoms provides a simple example of covalent bonding. As the process starts, both atoms are electrically neutral and actually continue to be so throughout the bonding process. However, as they come closer together, the electron shells of the molecules begin overlapping each other. This causes a negatively charged electron cloud to form. The positively charged nuclei of both atoms are attracted to the negatively charged electron cloud formed by the overlapping electron shells. The result of the sharing of electron shells by the two hydrogen atoms is a single covalent bond. During the formation of H2O molecules, oxygen atoms, which have 6 electrons in their outer shell, join with individual hydrogen atoms, which have only 1. Of the 6 electrons in the outer shell of an oxygen atom, 2 are unpaired. Each of these 2 unpaired electrons pairs with an electron in an individual hydrogen atom. Just as in ionic bonding, atoms forming covalent bonds try to obtain a stable outer electron shell. The oxygen atom does this by sharing an electron with each of the 2 hydrogen atoms, thus giving it 8, or an octet, in its outer shell. Each of the hydrogen atoms achieve this by sharing one of the oxygen atom's unpaired electrons. This provides the hydrogen atoms with a stable electron configuration for atoms their size by creating an electron configuration like that of the noble gas helium. Covalent bonds that involve one pair of shared electrons between 2 atoms form what are called single bonds. When 2 pairs of shared electrons are present, a double bond is formed. 3 pairs of shared electrons form a triple bond. Structural formulas indicate the type of bond forming a molecule. Each line between the symbols of the elements in the molecule represents a pair of shared electrons. The compounds formed by covalent bonding are often liquids or gases at room temperature, including substances such as gasoline and methane gas. Covalent solids, such as plastics, are usually soft and have low melting points. Many more compounds are created by covalent bonds than by ionic bonds. Most ionic compounds are hard, brittle solids with high melting points. Ionic solids are usually poor conductors of electricity, but when melted or dissolved in a liquid like water, the positively and negatively charged ions separate and conduct the flow of electricity, as for example, when the ionic compound salt is added to water.